Question number 1. Energy for ATP formation in photosynthesis second comes directly from. The correct answer is option A. Energy from H plus gradient. ATP is synthesized by chemiosmosis. The proton H plus gradient across the thyroid membrane drives ATP synthase to form ATP. Question number 2. Volume of CO2 absorbed in photosynthesis is almost. The correct answer is option B. Equal to O2 liberated. The amount of CO2 used is nearly equal to the amount of O2 released during photosynthesis. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O equal to 6 C6H12O6 plus 6 O2. Question number 3. In some grasses, C4 pathway occurs. It is. The correct answer is option A. Additive. The C4 pathway is additive because it works in addition to the Calvin cycle to increase photosynthetic efficiency. Question number 4. Herbicide kills grasses or weeds by. The correct answer is option B. Blocking photosynthesis second. Many herbicides inhibits photosystem second, stopping electron transport and photosynthesis. Question number 5. Which of the following induce photorespiration? The correct answer is option B. High O2 concentration. High oxygen concentration promotes oxygenate activity of rubisco leading to photorespiration. Question number 6. Number of ATP and NADPH2 required to fix 3 CO2 molecules in Calvin cycle. The correct answer is option B. 9 ATP and 6 NADPH2. Fixation of 3 CO2 molecules in the Calvin cycle requires 9 ATP and 6 NADPH2. Question number 7. Which is wrong? The correct answer is option C. Light is necessarily absorbed by plants for biological change. Because not all biological change in plants require direct light absorption. Proton movement through ATP synthase is passive down the electrochemical gradient. Question number 8. In photorespiration, CO2 loss takes place in. The correct answer is option B. Mitochondria. CO2 is released in mitochondria during conversion of glycine into serine. Question number 9. In C4 cycle, in mesophyll cells, CO2 is picked off by. The correct answer is option A. PP. PP, either that phosphoenol pyruvate is the first CO2 acceptor in C4 plants. Question number 10. In C4 plants, Calvin cycles takes place in. The correct answer is option B. Bundle sheath of cells. The Calvin cycle occurs in bundle sheath cells in C4 plants. Question number 11. Which is correct about C4 plants? The correct answer is option C. It can perform photosynthesis in low CO2 concentration. C4 plants efficiently photosynthesize even at low CO2 concentration because of PP carboxylase. Question number 12. Photosynthesis is. The correct answer is option A. Conversion of CO2 and H2O into carbohydrates and O2. Photosynthesis is the process of synthesizing carbohydrates from CO2 and water using sunlight. Question number 13. Light break reaction means. The correct answer is option B. Influence of short periods of light in dark periods. Light break means interruption of the dark period by brief exposure to light. Question number 14. Chemical formula of chlorophyll A is. The correct answer is option B. C55H72O5N4Mg. This is the standard formula of chlorophyll A. Question number 15. In chlorophyll B, CHO group is attached to CHO group. The correct answer is option A. Second pyrrole ring. Chlorophyll B contains an aldehyde, which means CHO group, on the second chiral ring. Question number 16. The first acceptor of CO2 in C4 pathway is. The correct answer is option A. PEP. PEP act as the first CO2 receptor in C4 plants. Question number 17. Light reaction of photosynthesis occurs in. The correct answer is option B. Walls of thylakoids. Light reaction occurs in walls of thylakoid membranes. Question number 18. The electron acceptor during photosynthesis is. The correct answer is option A. Cytochrome. Cytochrome act as a electron carriers or acceptors in the electron transport chain. Question number 19. Dark reaction of photosynthesis occurs in. The correct answer is option C. Stroma. The Calvin cycle occurs in stroma of chloroplasts. Question number 20. Universal hydrogen acceptor. The correct answer is option A. NAD. NAD act as a universal hydrogen electron acceptor in the metabolism. Question number 21. A cell devoid of chlorophyll will not. The correct answer is option C. Manufacture carbohydrate. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis cannot occur. Question number 22. Photorespiration is due to. The correct answer is option A. Excess of O2. Excess of oxygen favors oxygenate activity of rubisco. Question number 23. Rate of photosynthesis is independent of. The correct answer is option C. Duration of light. Rate depends mainly on the light intensity and CO2 concentration, not the duration. Question number 24. PEP act as a CO2 acceptor in. The correct answer is option C. Maize. Maize is a C4 plant using PP as a first CO2 acceptor. Question number 25. Light energy is converted into chemical energy in. The correct answer is option B. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis converts solar energy into chemical energy. Question number 26. Mole's half-life experiment proves. The correct answer is option C. CO2 is required for photosynthesis. The experiment demonstrated the necessity of CO2 for photosynthesis. Question number 27. Chemoautotrophs obtain energy by oxidation of. The correct answer is option A. H2S. Chemoautotrophs oxidize inorganic compounds such as H2S to obtain energy. Question number 28. Which represent the photosynthetic equation? The correct answer is option A. 6CO2 plus 12H2O 6C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Explanation. Balance equation for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O arrow 6C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Question number 29. Percentage of sunlight utilized by green plants in net productivity. The correct answer is option C. 0.1%. Only about 0.1 to 0.2% of the solar energy is utilized in net productivity. Question number 13. HSK pathway is also called. The correct answer is option C. C4 cycle. HSK stands for H/Coxsacks pathway, another name for the C4 pathway. Question number 31. To test starch in leaves. Leaves are. The correct answer is option D. Decolorized with alcohol and dipped in iodine. Alcohol removes chlorophyll before iodine test for starch. Question number 32. Isotope used to trace carbon fixation. The correct answer is option C. C14. C14 was used by Calvin to trace carbon fixation. Question number 33. Thylakoids are associated with. The correct answer is option B, photosynthesis. Thylakoids contain photosystems for light reactions. Question number 34. In photosynthesis, O2 is liberated due to the correct answer is option B, photolysis of water. Oxygen comes from splitting of water molecule. 2H2O, arrow, 4H plus 4 electron plus O2. Question number 35. Photosynthetic plants are. The correct answer is option D, autotrophs. Plants synthesize their own food. Question number 36. First stable product in carbon assimilation is. The correct answer is option D, PGA. PGA, either of 3-phosphoglyceric acid, is the first stable product in the Calvin cycle. Question number 37. Wavelength used in bacterial photosynthesis. The correct answer is option D, far red. Photosynthetic bacteria utilize far red or infrared light. Question number 38. Product of light reaction. The correct answer is option C, NADPH2 and ATP. Light reaction generate ATP and NADPH2. Question number 39. Core metal of chlorophyll. The correct answer is option C, magnesium. Magnesium is present at the center of chlorophyll. Question number 40. Plant food is stored in the form of. The correct answer is option C, starch. Plant store excess food as starch. Question number 41. ATP formation during photosynthesis is. Correct answer is option B, photophosphorylation. ATP formed during photosynthesis is produced by the addition of phosphate using light energy. This process is called photophosphorylation. Question number 42. Hale reactions occurs in. The correct answer is option D, presence of ferricyanide. In the Hale reaction, ferricyanide acts as an artificial electron acceptor during the light reaction of photosynthesis. Question number 43. Photosynthesis occurs in. The correct answer is option A, chloroplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll and are the main site of photosynthesis in green plants. Question number 44. Plants don't store carbohydrate as glucose because. The correct answer is option A, dissolve in water and alters osmotic balance. Glucose is a soluble in water and can disturb osmotic balance. Therefore, plants convert it into insoluble starch for storage. Question number 45. Calvin cycle in C4 plants occurs in. The correct answer is option B, bundle sheath chloroplast. In C4 plants, the Calvin cycle takes place in bundle sheath chloroplast. Question number 46. The effect of excess O2 concentration causing decrease in photosynthesis is known as. The correct answer is option D, Warburg's effect. Warburg effect refers to inhibition of photosynthesis due to increased oxygen concentration because of photorespiration. Question number 47. Rate of photosynthesis will be higher in. The correct answer is option A, red light. Photosynthesis is most effective in red light because chlorophyll absorbs red wavelength efficiently. Question number 48. Cytochrome is. The correct answer is option D, iron containing protein. Cytochromes are iron containing protein involved in electron transport. Question number 49. Calvin cycle is synonymous with. The correct answer is option A, C3 cycle. The Calvin cycle is also known as the C3 cycle because the first stable product formed contains 3 carbon atoms. Question number 50. The first step involved in photosynthesis is. The correct answer is option B, excitation of electron from chlorophyll. The first event in photosynthesis is absorption of light by chlorophyll leading to excitation of electrons. Question number 51. Cytochrome helps in. The correct answer is option A, electron transport. Cytochromes participate in the electron transport chain during photosynthesis and respiration. Question number 52. Inhibition of photosynthesis with increase in oxygen concentration is. The correct answer is option D, Warburg effect. Warburg effect describes reduction in photosynthesis at high oxygen concentration. Question number 53. The process of photolysis of water takes place during. The correct answer is option D, light reaction. Photolysis of water occurs during the light reaction in photosystem second. In that reactions, 2H2O, arrow 4 hydrogen plus 4 electron plus O2. Question number 54. ATP is formed in triphosphate in large number during. The correct answer is option D. Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle with oxidative pathway produce large amount of ATP. Question number 55. Primary acceptor of CO2 in photosynthesis is. The correct answer is option B. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. In the Calvin cycle, RUBP act as the primary CO2 receptor. RUBP plus CO2 arrow to PGA. Question number 56. Stomata open at night and close during day. In. The correct answer is option C. CAMP plants. CAM plants open stomata at night to reduce water loss in hot environments. Question number 57. Carbon fixation in C4 plants is catalyzed by. The correct answer is option B. PEP carbogylase. PEP carbogylase fixes CO2 in neutrophil cells of C4 plants. Question number 58. Cran's anatomy is found in. The correct answer is option A. C4 plants. Cran's anatomy is characteristics of C4 plants and help reduce water respiration. Question number 59. First stable compound in C3 cycle is. The correct answer is option A. PGA. The first stable product in the Calvin C3 cycle is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. Question number 60. Which organelle consists of grana and stroma? The correct answer is option C. Plastids. Chloroplast or type of plastid contain grana and stroma where photosynthesis occurs.